last little bit is I want to spin this round because it's pointing in the wrong direction. So to do that, must have it selected, and then what I'm going to do is it's really important to change your camera angle so you're looking the way you want it to spin. So I want this thing to spin on the table. If I wanted it to do cartwheels and spin this way round, then I'd look directly on and then it would move like that. If you think of the hands of a clock and the way you need to look directly at a clock for it to spin, that is how we get it to spin. So I'm going to look directly down, go over to here where usually it's the move tool, and I'm going to select the rotate tool. And then the first thing I'm going to do is, because a lot of these objects won't have flat surfaces, I'm going to click outside somewhere over here. Why I'm doing that is I need either a blue, red or green compass, protractor to show. So if I do it this way, I would get the green one, and I can click, because I've selected this, that's fine, click somewhere out here. Or if I was to do it this way around, it would be the red one. So I'm going to go back to my original position, and I'm just going to click somewhere out of here. So for me, it will just be somewhere on my desk. That is now the pivot point for my machine, like my computer, and it will then move around later on. And then the next click I'm going to do is where the angle is measured from. Now for us, I just want it to move. So I click once more, and now I'm going to rotate it. Now at the moment it's going inside my wall, but I can live with that because I can then go back round and get the move tool, and I can move it back into the right position. But do play around with that. What we don't want to happen is to get the black protractor, because that means it's moving, it's not moving in one direction, it's moving in two or three. So it means it becomes very difficult to align it and get it flat again. If you ever get the black protractor and you move it and you let go, Control Z, go back to it being flat on the table, and make sure you've got the red, blue or green protractor showing, otherwise you're going to have loads of problems.